Right, here we go. Excel lesson number 1. Okay, so Excel is obviously part of Microsoft Office. You don't need a modern version like this. You can get the cheapest, oldest version you like because it's dead simple. So, 1997, 2003 will be fine. Okay, here we go. Right, what you've got here. The up and down things are called columns. The crossways things are called rows. And these things are called cells. So I'm going to keep this dead simple. Let's put some headings in to start with. So the best one to start with is date. And I'm going to do this for, spending or expenditure first. I'll do another lesson about income, sending invoices and stuff. So I'm going to make the second column receipt number. Third column petrol. Food. That'll do. Keep it really simple. Okay, so first thing to do, all these cells up and down here, yes, cells in this column are going to be date. So I'm just going to format them by, I've selected, you just click on the cell to select it with your mouse pad, and then use the right button, you right click, drop down menu, and you want to format your cells. So, and you want those to be date format. And let's keep just select what format you want it in. These are all different date formats. Click OK. So that cell is now formatted for putting dates in it. So Excel knows that's for dates. And this is a good thing. Right, just hover over it and just look at the bottom right hand corner. Can you see that little, it changes to a little kind of hand sign. It's a bit tricky that really. But once you've got that hand sign, you just use your left button and then drag it down. Barrel way, that'll do. So that means all those cells are now formatted for date. So I'll just show you. Format cell. Yeah, look, that's on date. So that's okay. So I'm just going to put a few. You only need to put the first couple of letters of the date in, and it's 23, and then you use your. Where's the backslash gone? Where's the backslash? There. 11. First couple of bits of it in, it'll put the whole date in for you. Put another one in, just for the sake of it. 25th, Christmas Day. No, it's not. There's a couple of dates. Receipt numbers, obviously you don't need to do anything with that. Receipt number 1, press the enter key. Receipt number 2, enter. And then we'll put some stuff in. Say, Amanda went out and spent £4.24p on petrol. And the next day she spent £5.55 on food. Brilliant. Absolutely. Yeah. So you've got the idea. You can just carry on ad infinitum right down there. 3 minutes 40. Okay. So obviously what we want to do is total it up. Right. There we go. Total. All you do to total something is select your first cell, and again it's right click it and drag it across to the cell that you want the answer to be in. And then here's a clever bit, you just go up here and click auto sum. There you go, puts the answer in for you. And again, once you know that cell is totaling it up, it's totaling, you can have 10 columns along here, do exactly the same thing, and it still put the answer in there. I'm going to go at this again. You can just drag it down like we did before. So just selected that cell, hover over the little bottom right thing till you get the sort of hand sign. Hold, bloody hell, it's a bit tricky. Hold that down, and then drag it down, and then release it. There you got the total. Right, that's 5 minutes. I think that's probably enough for one lesson.